How to delete a repository in GitHub. So to delete a repository on GitHub, you have to follow certain steps, which I will show you. But first thing is that go to Google, open your GitHub and log in with your GitHub account here. So just give me a second. I will just log in here. Now, if you log in into your GitHub account for the first time, you will get this option of create repository. But if you have already created, then just go to the main page here and select one of the repository you wish to delete. So I will just go and click on create a repository, then I will show you how you can delete this up. So let me just create it up. So for example, this is a test one description. Okay, so this is a public and private, both works in the same thing. The first one is a private, nobody can see you except you, right? So I will just go and click on create a repository here, right? So it has been created. Now if I want to delete it, there's always a pencil icon. You can just go and click on it, and you can, if you want to do any changes, you're always allowed to do this. So now here you have to go to the settings of the repository here, scroll to the bottom, and here you will see in the red color delete this repository. So now here you will ask the same thing, click on I want to delete it, and I have read and understand this effects. I will just go and click on delete here. Now I have to type the same thing, so I'll just copy this from here and paste it here, click on delete this repository. Now it has been deleted, as you can see here. So this is really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.